Got something else here, and I'm not even really sure what this is. I've gotten so much stuff, and I haven't opened it yet because I want to do unboxing. Something I got from Amazon, obviously, and we'll see what it is when I open it up together. I think I know what it is, but I'm not really that for sure what it is. I think it's the Indexable Carbide tools for the mill. Yeah, that's what it is. And these are called Accusize. And if I can figure out how to open it here, it's packed in bubble wrap that doesn't have an opening. And my knife is not the sharpest in the world. So there we go. I like the case. It's a really nice case. Now these are, I think, about I think I paid $120 for these. It's Accusize 2988-0012, 9-piece indexable carbide turning tool, 1/2 inch, and these are for the lathe, obviously. And let's see what they look like. Got a nice case. So in here I have some little bitty screws for the carbide blades, and this shows you all of the different blades that you get, the sets, which I saw this on YouTube also, and to me it was a really nice set. Kind of was going to do everything I needed it to do. And I said I haven't even broke in the lathe yet, but from what I saw, these last a long time, even though they're so small. And you can buy replacements, and they obviously come out, and you can also turn them around. They're coated with oil, and like I said, I bought these because I couldn't tell the size of them when I bought it, and these are obviously not the same. For a mini mill, yeah, but not for what I've got. So but these are really nice. And once I get the lathe up and running, and I've got some aluminum pieces to make already for push-pull tubes for an airplane order I've got to make the ends for it. Then we'll be able to see them actually in use. But I've already seen them on a few YouTube videos, and they cut really nice. And I cut mostly aluminum. I don't cut hardly any steel. So it works great because I can keep my speeds the same on the lathe, and I don't wear out blades that often anyway. So, but yeah, that's nice. The only that's a S3. Boring bar, which I will be using on actually one of the pieces I'm making. I need to go and bore inside the part, so that's nice. This could be a little, this is the cutoff tool, and it could be a little deeper. It's not really that deep, but it's okay. If I have to, I'll get another one a little bit deeper. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so anyway, that's the tool set. from Accusize industrial tools, and they do have a different cutoff tool, and it's got a way deeper shaft than this, and I might have to order that because this is just is not that deep for cutoff. It doesn't say S equals 3 20B, so the depth is not very much on that. So anyway, that's the that is the Indexable tools for the lathe. Again, it's 2988-0012, and I think it was like $121, and these were like $69 from Grizzly, so that's a good deal on those, and that's pretty much all I need. I'm going to have to get some clamps next. So anyway, next will be I don't know what I'm going to unbox next, but I'll see you in the next video. Put this stuff up, throw it away, and go to the next video. Okay, y'all have a good day.